How to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to reduce eye strain and save battery power by enabling dark mode on LinkedIn? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open LinkedIn on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. A menu will appear. Select the settings option available at the bottom. Then tap on Account Preferences. Under the display section, you will see an option for dark mode. Tap on it. Here are two ways to toggle on dark mode on LinkedIn. Select the dark mode option to turn on dark mode immediately, or select the device settings option to let LinkedIn dark mode follow your system settings. Let's see how both options work. Select the dark mode option. As you can see, dark mode is now enabled. Now select the device settings option. As you can see, it switches to light mode because my device dark mode feature is turned off. To turn on dark mode based on your system settings, swipe down on your screen, find the dark mode option and enable it. As you can see, dark mode is now enabled. You might be wondering which option is the best way to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. I recommend selecting the dark mode option if your device does not have a built-in dark mode feature like mine. However, keep in mind that whenever you want to turn off dark mode, you will need to repeat the steps shown earlier and select the light mode option to toggle it off. If your device has a built-in dark mode feature like mine, select the device settings option. This way, you can easily toggle dark mode on and off within seconds on LinkedIn. And boom! You have successfully learned how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.